Hello together. Today I'm going to show you how you can manage custom leaf legends as global administrator. First of all, we should navigate to the configuration and open calendars tab. And here we can see two sections. You can add new holiday calendars and you can add and manage your leaf legends. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can manage your leaf legends. Let's start with overview of existing system legends. And we would start with the first one. It's called unclassified. And this legend is used when you delete an existing leaf legend and some users used this legend. So for example, you had a legend which is called maternity leave, then you deleted this legend, and to keep the dates as non-working days, this legend will be replaced with this unclassified. The next one is out of team, and it could be used if, for example, team lead managed some join and leaving dates, and there are some issues with the capacity calculation because there are 2 additional working days, for example, but in reality, user doesn't work these 2 days, and these days can be replaced with this leaf legend. The next one is team calendar, and this is how holiday calendar will be seen for the end user. So if team leads select a calendar and assign this holiday calendar to a user, then the user will see this calendar assigned by team lead as team calendar with the chosen color. The next one is vacation. It can be used by users on the personal level, and users can add new vacation days. The next one is sick leave, and the logic works the same, and users can use it on personal level and add sick leaves this way. The last one is emergency, and the end users can also use it on personal level and add some days as non-working days, marking them with this emergency reason. We can also create a new custom leaf legend, and to do it we should click on Add Legend. And we will see this model dialog where we should type our legend title. For example, it would be education. And we can select any color from the gallery, and I will select, for example, this one, and click on Save to save our legend. And you can see that this legend is added as the last one. You can edit it, so you can change name of this legend, you can select any other color, and you can also delete this legend as it's created as a custom one.